Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by combining dry ingredients so rising is even. Whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Once mixed, beat the wet ingredients separately milk, egg, oil to avoid overworking gluten. Then fold wet into dry in 2 additions for uniform texture. Make sure batter is smooth but not overbeaten. A few small lumps are fine. While you mix, place a trivet inside a large pot and add enough water to reach just under the trivet. Once batter is ready, fill each tin or silicone cup about 2/3 full so the muffin cake can rise without spilling. Then bring the pot water to a gentle simmer. You want steady steam, not rolling water that splashes. Place the tin on the trivet, cover the pot with a tight lid, and seal edges with foil if needed to keep heat steady. Make sure to monitor steam. Adjust flame to maintain a gentle simmer for even cooking and a soft crumb. You steam the muffin cake for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is cooked through. After removing from the pot, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes so steam finishes the bake and the crumb firms, then invert to cool fully before glazing or serving. If the top is soggy or center undercooked, make sure the lid stayed sealed and increase heat a little or steam an extra 5 to 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.